Hey everybody, welcome back to Trial and Error, and in my ongoing effort to not get off the couch for just about anything, we're going to take a look at Ceilo Breeze's line of Wi-Fi thermostat control for ACs and heat pumps. So typical things like you see behind me from Mr. Cool. Now that is actually a smart unit, it's Wi-Fi controlled, but I'll tell you why I'm going to put it on here anyway, because also in my home I have a Mitsubishi system, and those two systems are both app controlled, but I have to go into two different apps to use them both. When I set them up with this, it'll all be brought into one app, makes it really easy. The other advantage to having this is it makes it very easy to set up for voice control through either Google or through an Alexa system, which I can't do even with my Mitsubishi unit right now. We're going to be able to do that with these, so let's pop them open, take a look, and see if it's any good. We've got a couple of different versions here. One is their true thermostat, essentially. It's a replacement thermostat, and you can even power this from your existing thermostat wiring that's in your house, which is really nice, but it also comes with a regular AC adapter. It uses a micro USB. And then we have these guys, which basically do everything that this does without having the screen there. So this is just going to be a IR repeater essentially that you can control from an application over Wi-Fi or again through your voice speaker. So we're going to start off with this one because this is the one I think I'm going to put out here in the garage for quick and easy access to see the temperature here. I've got regular thermostats in the house, so that's not as critical. So we're going to get this guy popped open and wired in. Oh, for frog snacks. Get out of there. Oh, nice. A wall plate for the back, or a mounting plate. Got the screws, USB, and I'm guessing this must be a little desk stand. Fancy. Hookup is easier than a Kardashian at an NBA game. You've got your connections here for hardwired thermostats if you're going to wall mount it that way, or you just plug in that micro USB in the bottom here, which is what we're going to do out here since I don't have thermostat wires. Manual actually seems really good, very simple and clear. It's even in regular English, not Chinglish, and it's got a little scan here to take us to the app. So we'll just get our account set up here. All right, and we're ready to add a device. This is the Ceilo Breeze Plus. So now we're going to switch over to its Wi-Fi signal. We'll connect and switch back over. And it has me select my Wi-Fi. So enter the password to my Wi-Fi, which essentially lets this thing know what the password is so it can connect on its own. Give a name to our device. We'll do custom, and we'll call that the shot. And now it's going to configure. And we are online, and it says, please configure your remote control. Auto remote detection. Please get a hold of your AC's remote control and tap next. Point your AC's remote at the Ceilo device and press the power button. Really that easy? Cool. All right, so remote detected as Ceilo model 11 Fahrenheit. Test, send a test on off command. I don't know if you guys could hear that beep, but she just powered up my AC. Powering off the AC, and we are done. Well, that doesn't get much easier. So from the app here, you can do all of the things that you would imagine you should be able to do with one of these guys. Very quick and easy to switch between your different modes here. We'll go back here. Same thing, fan speeds, quick and easy. And then the vane control options are there. Down the bottom here, you've got the ability to program a 7-day individual schedule for each day with specific times, on, off, multiple cycles as well. E-saver, so it's got some features here like geofencing. It knows when you get within a certain radius, and you can set that radius of your home So it will start cooling or heating depending upon what you want it to do. And then when you leave your home, it will automatically shut that off. Definitely save some electricity there. We've got that set up, geofencing set up with our home already. But this is now going to tie in the additional units like this one that I couldn't put into that system until I had something like this. So that's nice. Air filter, reminders and things like that. So for history, obviously we just fired this up, so there is no history in this particular one. However, I will show you my Mr. Cool system that is part of the Wi-Fi that's in that particular AC, and it uses essentially the exact same app. So I can go into the history here and you will be able to pull down and see how many hours you use it each day over whatever span of time that you want to look at, which is kind of neat. Timeline I don't use, but essentially it shows you the same thing, shows you when and what the function was that you had commanded it to do. So you've got the history there as well. So very cool. So the difference with this new system now, obviously this one was the only AC I could put on this unit, and I had to go into this app, which was separate from my other app, which is Kumo Cloud, which is a horrific app. So I'd have my living room, my sunroom, my master bedroom, and then I have a whole house ducted unit as well. So just tons and tons of thermostats on different places. But now I will be able to, but now I'll be able to combine them all into this one app, and that's really nice. The Ceilo Breeze Plus gives you that full thermostat control and interface, and that's really nice, but it's not necessary in all cases. That's where the Eco comes into play. So you don't have the screen, but it does literally everything else that this can do, and it shows up in that same app as just a second unit and a third unit. But it saves you a few bucks, which is really nice, and you can mount it pretty much anywhere. You don't have to see it, obviously. The only thing to keep in mind with all of these is it's still infrared. It's still an IR signal that goes to these units. What they have done is they've mounted 3 different emitters on this at 3 different angles. So I just moved it around my garage, and I can go clear across the other side. It's a 40-foot long garage, or 40-foot wide garage, and it has no problem sending the signal over there. So they did a really nice job with the IR emitters in this to cover a lot of ranges. And then again, with this guy, since you can pretty much mount it anywhere, you don't have to see it. All it has to do is be able to see your AC unit. It allows you to kind of tuck it in behind a couch or something like that and get the job done there. The last thing we need to test is tying it in with voice control. So I have set this up and renamed it as Shop HVAC. So I should just be able to talk to the lady in the box here, and she should do what I ask her to do. But we'll give it a shot. Alexa, turn off garage HVAC. Alexa, turn on garage HVAC. Ooh, just found another neat feature. So not only do you have the emitters for IR, but this has a receiver in it as well. So the problem with infrared is it's not a two-way communication. It's always in a receive or transmit mode, basically. So they've thought of that, and in order to keep these things in sync, not only does it transmit, but it listens for your remote. So you can still use both your remote and this and not have them sword fighting it out, essentially. So when I turn this thing on, it's receiving that signal and keeping it synced up with the information that this remote is also sending to the wall mount units. So that's a really good thought. I'm glad they thought of that. So what's the verdict? I'm impressed. Most important thing here is easy setup. That's usually barrier to entry for a lot of people, is they just don't want to deal with networking stuff or anything like that. And they made that part really, really simple. I like that you have an inexpensive option, but you also can go with a full-featured thermostat. I'm used to the app that it uses already, and it's really simple. So yeah, I mean, it seems like a really good solution to making dumb ACs smart, or multiple brands of ACs in your home all work into one app. And that's great. Anything that makes life simpler and keeps me on the couch is important. And then adding the voice control, that's a great feature too. As always, everybody, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm going to throw links in the description here for these guys. You can go and check them out. Any questions, comments, concerns, and or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, everybody, have a great day.